Maritime Accident Attorneys in Texas. The maritime industry is a major employer in Houston and other parts of the Texas coast. Overall, Houston is the second largest contributor to the maritime industry in the entire county. Jobs in the Texas maritime industry often offer high-paying salaries, but they come with risks. The work typically requires long hours and dangerous work. Every workday is a risk of personal injury. If you suffer injury at work from a maritime job, you may have several rights to recover, includes claims under the Federal Jones Act and workers' compensation. Maritime accident attorneys can review your situation and determine what claims may best help you recover for an injury. If you suffered an injury at a maritime job, you should talk to a Texas personal injury lawyer right away. Jones Act claims for injured maritime workers in Texas. The Federal Jones Act, also known as the Merchant Marine Act, protects American workers injured at sea while on the job. The statute protects workers injured or become ill while performing their job. The Jones Act extends the Federal Employers' Liability Act, FELA, which creates the right to sue your maritime employer for negligence resulting in personal injury. Negligence claims arise under the Jones Act when your employer takes unreasonable risks with your safety and results in a bodily injury. Jones Act claims differ in many ways from Texas law on personal injuries, which can make these claims more difficult to pursue. Maritime accident lawyers in Texas understand the unique features of this law and how to pursue your case to recover for your injuries. What if my maritime position is not protected by the Jones Act? Not every job involving maritime work is covered by the Jones Act. Maritime jobs involving offshore oil and natural gas, shipyards and longshore jobs often are not covered by the federal statute. The first step for your maritime accident lawyer is determining what laws apply to your bodily injuries and how best to pursue claims under those laws. If the Jones Act does not apply to your job or injuries, there are other options. You may have a claim under Texas workers' compensation. You may also have personal injury claims against your employer or other responsible parties under Texas personal injury laws. An experienced work comp attorney can evaluate your case to determine if you have a claim under state workers' compensation laws. What kinds of maritime injuries occur in Texas? Most maritime injuries in Texas take place in Houston and other coastal areas where there is offshore drilling, docks and ports, cargo ships and recreation. Maritime injuries can also occur in Texas away from the coast on rivers and lakes where water-related events take place. If you suffer an injury at work or on the water, you should talk to a Texas maritime accident injury lawyer. If you suffered an injury at sea, rivers, lakes, or working on a coastal job, contact maritime accident lawyers in Texas right away. Common maritime injuries in Texas. Maritime jobs are dangerous and require workers to have unique skills, including a willingness to work long hours under dangerous conditions. In these situations, workers are going to get hurt. Maritime injuries are often severe bodily injuries that may lead to lost wages, permanent injury and limitation in expensive medical treatment. Consult maritime accident lawyers in Texas about your injuries. If you have been hurt at work, contact an experienced maritime accident attorney in Texas to learn more about your rights. Your personal injury claim will involve going up against your employer and insurance companies. They will hire defense attorneys to attack your claim. You need an experienced personal injury attorney on your side.